Hi everyone, today we're making spicy baked clams with vermicelli. This dish is super easy to put together, it has minimal cleanup and looks and tastes incredible. Stay tuned and let me show you how to make this simple yet satisfying meal in a packet. First, let's talk about the clams. A small sized clam such as a little neck works best here. Although the clams you buy now are quite clean, I like to soak them in some salted water 20 minutes before cooking to draw out any sand. In a separate bowl, soak some rice or mung bean vermicelli in cold water as well. Then it's time to get chopping. You will need to finely chop ginger, garlic, red and green chilies. The type and the amount of chilies are entirely up to you. I like mine spicy, so I'm using 2 Thai red chilies and 1 long green chili. Some other vegetables that I like to include are onions and enoki mushrooms. Bean sprouts will also work wonderfully here. Now let's cook the sauce. Add some oil to a pan over high heat. Add the chopped garlic, ginger, and chilies and stir fry for a minute. Then add the fermented broad bean chili paste. In goes oyster sauce and soy sauce, a splash of white wine. Cook it together and the sauce is done. When you're ready to assemble the packet, remove and rinse the clams clean. And make a packet using tin foil or parchment paper. Make a wide and shallow surface area to start layering your ingredients. And put the packet into a heat-proof dish or tray for easy transport. Then let's start layering. First, a bed of onions. Then the enoki mushrooms. The softened vermicelli. Make sure to spread out the ingredients to ensure even cooking and decrease the cooking time. Next, the clams. And lastly, spread the sauce evenly on top. Pour in another splash of wine and seal the packet tight. And in it goes into a hot oven at 200 degrees centigrade for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until all the clams have opened up. Sealed tight, the packet can also be cooked on a barbecue. And when it's done, open carefully, top with cilantro or scallions, and eat right out of the packet. The clams should all be open and succulent. The spicy sauce, wine, and clam juices have combined into a delicious aromatic liquor, flavoring the vermicelli and the vegetables. This is a great combination if you're looking for a new way to eat shellfish and vermicelli. It can be a fantastic solo meal, yet just as easy to make for entertaining many guests. I really hope you can give this one a try. As always, check out my blog for the full written recipe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe for more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.